Hello and welcome. Let's learn about insect names, majina ya wadudu. In English and Kiswahili, both in singular and plural. Termite, mchwa, mchwa. Mosquito, mbu, mbu. Housefly, nzi, nzi. Butterfly, kipepeo, vipepeo. Moth, nondo, nondo. Bee, nyuki, nyuki. Wasp, nyigu, nyigu. Grasshopper, panzi, panzi. Locust, nzige, nzige. Cockroach, mende, mende. Bedbug, kunguni, kunguni. Louse, chawa, chawa. Flea, kiroboto, viroboto. Dragonfly, kerengende, vikerengende. Beetle, bumbuazi, mabumbuazi. Flying termite, kumbi kumbi, kumbi kumbi. Aphid, kidukari, vidukari. Spider, buibui, buibui. If there is any other insect you'd like to know in Kiswahili, let me get it in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.